In this video, I'll talk about how you can add NFL RedZone to your YouTube TV. Now all you have to do is sign in, go to the settings and the membership page, and from in there you can add it. So what you want to do on your PC is head over to tv.google.com, sign in. If you're on a mobile or smart TV, you want to get the app and sign in. After that, go to your settings. It should be on your profile picture up here somewhere. And in settings, you want to select membership. Then under membership, you want to look for the Sports Plus add-on. This is a sports channel add-on that you can purchase. And under there, you will have access to NFL RedZone and Fox College Sports and Football Sports Network and other sports channels. So make sure you get that, click add or the subscribe button. I'm not sure which one it says. And to add the Sports Plus. Now keep in mind, there's a fee for this. I'm not entirely sure how much it is, but if you want to add the package, usually there's a fee. Now that's basically how you do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.